In this video, I want to show you how to connect to folder in ArcGIS Pro. For instance, I have this folder called Boronu. If I open it, I have my data inside. So the essence of connecting to your folder in ArcGIS Pro is to make navigation easier for you to quickly access your data or working folder. So I have this folder and my data are inside this folder. So going to ArcGIS Pro interface to connect to that folder so that accessing that folder can be easy for me. So what to do is to come to View, then click on Catalog pane. So that will open the catalog pane here. So to connect to your folder, come to this folder. If I click on the drop down, you can see that I'm only connected to my project. So I want to connect to my folder so that I can access the data inside easily. So to do that, right click the folder and click on Add Folder Connection. When you click on it, navigate to your folder. My folder is on my desktop, so this is it, Boronu. I'll click on it and immediately it will select it. Then click on OK. Once you do that, you can see that Boronu, that is the folder, has been connected under folder. So if I click on the drop down of the folder, you can see that my data is visible. So I can just click on my data and drag to the interface of ArcGIS Pro, and it will take me to where my data is. You can see it here. So you can see I've connected to my folder, and from there I can easily go to catalog and go straight to my folder and bring in data I want to use. So this is how to connect to folder in ArcGIS Pro. Thank you for watching.